हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज इस वीडियो में क्लास 10 का मैट्रिसेस डिस्कस करेंगे। व्हाट इज अ मैट्रिक्स? मैट्रिक्स is an array, you can say. It is an arrangement of numbers in the form of rows and columns. Like if I write 2 and 3 and enclose them in a square bracket. So this horizontal line is called the row. It has one row. And the vertical lines, they are the columns. So columns are 2. What is the order of this matrix? Order will be row by column. That is 1 by 2. Such a matrix in which there is only one row is called a row matrix. So what is matrix? Matrix is arrangement of numbers in the form of rows and columns. If the arrangement is such that there is only one row and more than one column, then you call it a row matrix which has only one row. Same way, if there is a matrix in which there is only one column, so now see, this is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3, this is column 1. So it is a 3 by 1 matrix, only one column. So rows are 3, columns are 1, order will be 3 by 1, and such a matrix is known as column matrix. So you know now what is a row matrix and what is a column matrix. Now if the number of rows is equal to the number of columns, like 1, 2, 3, 4. You have two rows, two horizontal lines and two vertical lines. So it is a 2 by 2 matrix. Such a matrix is called square matrix. So this is a square matrix of the order 2 by 2. Same way you can have 3 rows, 3 columns. It will be a 3 by 3 matrix. If the rows and columns are equal, the matrix will be square matrix, and if not, it will be a rectangular matrix. Let us now go ahead with the chapter. So you know now square matrix, rectangular matrix, row matrix, column matrix. We'll introduce more names as the chapter proceeds. To start with, we have just introduced 4 types, right? Row matrix, column matrix, square matrix, and rectangular matrix. Now let us take up a question. Construct a matrix in which Aij is given by 2i minus j. Now what are this A, Ij, Inj? Let us understand. Construct a matrix, say it is 2 by 2 matrix. So 2 by 2 matrix structure is this. There will be 2 rows, row number 1, row number 2, column number 1, column number 2. So the children know now this is the structure, these are the entries which I have to make. What is this location? First row, first column. So this is A11, first row, first column. First row, second column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. So now you know what are I and J. I is 1, J is 1. I is 1, J is 2. You should feed it there. A11 value will be 2 into 1 minus 1. That is 1. Like that, you can find out the values for all these 4 elements. Like A12, first row, second column. I is 1, J is 2. So in place of I, you will put 1. In place of J, you will put 2. See, A, I, J. I is 1, J is 2. Same way you work out for A21. I is 2, J is 1. I is 2, J is 1. So 2 into 2 minus J is 1. That is 3. Same way you see A22. What it will be? 2 into 2 minus 2 is 2. So the matrix will work out as 1, 0, 3, 2. This will be your answer. This is the way we work out this kind of questions. We'll continue. The chapter is continued. Let us take up another question. This time we'll introduce you what are equal matrices. There is a question 3x plus y, this is one element, 2y minus x, this is another element, minus y 3 is equal to 1, 2, minus 5, 3. So if they say that two matrices are equal, that means first of all the order has to be the same. Left side matrix is also 2 by 2. Right side matrix is also 2 by 2. There are 2 rows and 2 columns in the left side, 2 rows and 2 columns in the right side. For two matrices to be equal, order has to be the same. Each and every corresponding element is also same. That means this 3x plus y will be equal to 1. Just equate the corresponding elements and solve like you solve the simultaneous linear equations. So from here you are getting y as minus 2. Feed this value of y in the first equation. You will get the value of x. So these are your solutions. Okay. So let us take up some more questions. Addition of matrices and subtraction of matrices. This is going to be possible only for the equal this odd matrices with the same order. You can add matrices, you can subtract matrices provided their order are same. So you have to just add the corresponding elements. You will get in that, put it in the sum matrix. Subtract the corresponding elements, you will get the sum matrix. I'll straight away take up now matrix multiplication. Right? Let us understand matrix multiplication. Suppose this is one matrix 1, 2, 0, 3, and I'm going to multiply it by this matrix 4, 5. So first we need to check whether the multiplication is going to be possible or not. So this matrix is A and this is B. Order of A is 2 by 2. Order of B is 2 by 1. The column of the first is equal to the row of the second. That means yes, matrix multiplication is possible. If the column of the first matrix equals row of the second matrix, matrix multiplication is possible. Now if it is possible, then what will the product matrix look like? What will be the order of the product matrix? It will be this, row of the first and column of the second, 2 by 1. That means 2 rows and 1 column. If 2 rows and 1 column means this is the structure, 2 rows, 1 column. You have to fill these two places. What is this location? This is first row, first column. So you will take the first row of the first matrix and first column of the second matrix. What is this? First row, first column. So first row from the first matrix and first column of the second matrix. First element with the first element, next with the next. So 1 into 4 plus 2 into 5. This will be the entry. Correct? Now what is this location? Second row, first column. So second row of the first matrix and first column of the next matrix. First element with the first element, second with the second. So enter will be 0 into 4 plus 3 into 5. So what do you get? 4 with the 4 plus 10, 14, 0 plus 4. So this will be the product matrix 2 by 1 order. We'll continue with matrices in the next video with more difficult questions, bigger questions. Till then, wait for the next video. Bye.